Hi, I am undergraduate student of CGC Technical Campus Janjeri Mohali. I am doing the course from Skyfi Labs. My course name is Machine Learning using Python, and my topic of my assignment, and I am preparing an assignment on linear regression. To find first linear regression, we have to install the Anaconda library in Python, and from the Python notebook we have some installed library like NumPy library, Matplotlib library, and some other libraries that are installed in it, inbuilt in it. So first we have strategy of price prediction. The first topic, in that we find an attribute with maximum correlation of price, then split the data into training testing, choose linear regression model, train model, and arrive at m, slope and weight and intercept. We have to find intercept and slope, then predict prices from the testing data. Now data processing and pipeline, data preparing, and in data processing we have data preparation, input, processing, and then finally output. In predicting the data we have Boston housing price. In that Jupyter, in that Python notebook we have, in that Jupyter, in the Python notebook we have to code like import NumPy library, we have denoted NP, import pandas library, we have PD, import Matplotlib library, we have MP, and that we have to we have get some animation, so that import function and animate that. From that sklearn data sets, import load Boston house prices we are using. Then finding some mean square error and matrix, we have sklearn matrix, import mean. Then from sklearn model selection, import train test split. From sklearn processing, import minimum maximum scalar. From Python display the import HTML. In HTML we have to display some animation. Then step 1, data processing. When we have data processing, loading data in Boston, loading print Boston is DESCR. So when you print this, you see output like this. Boston data set, Boston house prices, like it has a 506 instance and 13 attributes, and in that is how much the pricing and all these things are being displayed. Then now put the data into pandas data frame, featured data frame, Boston data column feature, and then when you apply the features, then output is 506 rows and 13 columns. When you apply a feature, specific features like features NOx, then you get output like this 0 1 2 3 4, and this type of output is blink. Then when you have to separate the column, then it has length 506 and data types like float 60. Now assign target to predict prices. In this target PD data frame in Boston target, and when you apply the target output, the target in this 24 21.6 and something like this 506 row and 1 column. When you apply a minimum and maximum target, then you can print it on your notebook, and this is max for maximum, this is for minimum. You get the value for minimum 50, and you get the maximum value is 50 and minimum value is 5. Now for concatenating features and target in single data form, axis, we have to take a axis equal to 1, concatenating column wise, axis equal to 0 default, concatenating row wise. For column wise axis equal to 1, for row wise axis equal to 0. df equal to pd concate feature target axis equal to 1 df, and you can get the output as 506 rows and 14 columns, and in that you get the whole column like prices and all these things. Now to arrange in the labels, then index and plot the figures, and for plotting the graph we have plot x label, y label for attributes and correlation between the attribute and correlation graph, plot and plot show to show the graph. This is a graph between correlation and attributes. you show the graph between the correlation and attribute like this type of graph will be appear in that. For this RM, for cream, red, ZN and B, for all this the graph will be shown sorted out and shown below. So this we get some correlation value and we get the correlation into the price, what maximum and minimum the correlation is.